Interior design. The business and standard sections of the trains will have 2x2 and 2x3 seating configurations respectively. Unlike Japanese Shinkansen coaches, Indian Trains' last coach will have a few seats removed to make room for check-in luggage. According to NHSRC Managing Director Akal Kare, Japanese passengers travel light, but the change was made to accommodate Indian passengers. Hand luggage can fit in the overhead compartments of the coaches, but heavy luggage cannot. The NHSRC announced that it would charge passengers an additional fee for check-in luggage to deter travelers from bringing too much heavy luggage. Train transport stations. Engineers from Delhi, Mumbai, and Japan developed the designs for the bridges, viaducts, and tunnels. The corridor runs for 508.09 kilometers through the Maharashtra and Gujarat, as well as the Union territories of Dadra and Nagar Haveli. The route consists of 460.3 kilometers of viaducts, 90.6% of route length, 25.87 kilometers of tunnels, 5.1%, 12.9 kilometers of cut and fills, 2.5% of route length, and 9.22 kilometers of bridges, 1.8%. Thane and Virar will be linked by a 21-kilometer tunnel, 7 kilometers of which will be undersea. The undersea tunnel was chosen to avoid destroying the area's dense vegetation. The corridor will begin at the Bandra Kurla complex's underground station, travel 21 kilometers underground, and then emerge above ground in Thane. The train control. The corridor has 3 stops: Gujarat's Sabarmati and Surat, and Maharashtra's Thane. The Shinkansen depots in Sendai and Kanazawa, Japan, served as inspiration for the design of the depots. The Sabarmati depot, which covers an area of 80 hectares, serves as the line's main depot. It also houses the corridor's operation control center. The Thane depot covers a total area of 60 hectares. Washing plants, inspection bays, sheds, workshops, and stabling lines for regular train maintenance can be found at the Sabarmati and Thane depots. Surat's depot is the smallest, covering 44 hectares. It has the bare essentials for train maintenance. Rainwater is collected in reservoirs throughout the depot and passed through treatment plants before being reused to wash train sets. Recharge pits are also available at depots for recharging water back into the ground. Effluent and sewage water can also be recycled and reused at the Thane and Surat depots. Train bio-waste is collected in tanks, on board, and transported to depots where it is treated in sewage treatment plants. Overview. The High-Speed Rail (HSR) project, apart from being a technological marvel, would afford many quantifiable benefits, like saving in travel time, vehicle operation cost, reduction in pollution, job creation, reduction in accidents/enhanced safety, imported fuel substitution, and reduction in pollutants. The project would also boost the infrastructure and add to the growth of the economy. HSR would be an integrated system having overall optimization of various components, viz. hardware, software, humanware, and their interface, etc.